This is my EDC. So my EDC, or everyday carry, is made up of things that I just find useful. It will most likely change over time, but for now this minimal setup is just fine. So starting with something that everyone pretty much has is a phone. I have the iPhone 11 Pro Max in space gray. I didn't feel the need to upgrade to the iPhone 12, though I do like the design. I might pick up the iPhone 13 in the future. I like the look of the phone. I like the fact that it's space gray, it's simple to use, the UI and UX is great, and it gives off that minimalist look. The cameras on this phone are pretty good, but I do find myself carrying around my Google Pixel 3. I find the camera on the Pixel to be better than the ones on my iPhone. When I do carry around both phones, I get the best of both worlds. The next thing I also have on me is a watch. This watch is actually quite sentimental to me. It was given to me as a gift after I graduated uni, so it's something I've held on to as a reminder of that time. This watch is from Marc Jacobs. It's stainless steel, it's water resistant, and it pretty much goes with everything I wear. This is the Jibbin key organizer. Usually I house my keys in the Orbit key organizer, but this was sent over to me from the guys at Jibbin, and I love it. They engraved my initials in it, and I've also attached the fob or the access key to my building to it. It's made out of genuine Italian leather, and it's perfect for housing my keys and a few accessories I use every day. The next thing is this face mask I got from Mars Knitwear here in the UK. Wearing a mask has become part of our daily lives, so picking up a mask that was reusable and breathable was super important to me. It's a 3-layered reusable antibacterial mask, which is comfortable and it doesn't dig into my ears when I'm wearing my mask for a long time. So the next thing in my EDC is the AirPods Pro. They're great because they sync with my phone and my other Apple devices. They pause music when I take them off, and they're great for working out or just going for a walk. The only thing I don't like about them is that the case is too big, but luckily I held on to the silicone case from the last version, so I've been able to put the earphones inside there. And because I find the battery lasts pretty much all day for me, not having them in the charging case is fine. Moving on to my wallet, it's the one I picked up from Secrid. It's the mini wallet. I've had this for a few years and it's been great. It can hold up to 12 cards and still keep its minimalist look. Also has a place where you can store your banknotes. I normally keep my Tile Slim Bluetooth tracker in there, which helps me to find my wallet if I leave it or lose it anywhere. It will send a message to my phone saying, hey, you've left your wallet behind. The main feature of the wallet, it has this metal casing which can hold up to 6 cards, which you pull a lever and it pops out from the bottom. It's been a great wallet and it's one that I would recommend. For the days I don't want to put things in my pocket, I carry around this pouch or fanny pack which I wear over my shoulder, and I find that it's more than enough to hold all of my EDC. Like I said, I wear it over my shoulder so I can access it from the front, and if I don't want it to be infringing on me anyway, I can just swing it to the back. And the very last thing in my EDC is my camera. This is the A7C by Sony. It's a great camera, it works well for video, it looks vintage. I have it attached to an Orbit key strap, which I just wear around my wrist, and I'm able to take pictures on it when I go out and about. So there you go, that is my EDC. Like I said, it will probably change over time, so I'll keep you guys updated. If you like this video, like and subscribe, follow me on Instagram and Twitter, and I'll see you soon. And thank you for watching.